The NPP has its political symbol, the Congress has its political symbol, the VPP has its political symbol, the BJP has its own political symbol. But you look at Trinamool's Meghalaya TMC's political symbol. Can you see two flowers? Shijur ki Sinthiyu. Two flowers, it's not an irony. It's not a coincidence. And if you see these two flowers, every flower has 3 petals. Why 3? Why not 2? Why not 4? Why not 5? Why not 1? Why not 10? Why only 3? Like we have 3 petals in the flowers, Meghalaya also have 3 hills that unites Meghalaya. One is Jaintia, one is Khasi, one is Garo. So all 3 hills will have to come in unison for the all-round and holistic development of the state. And I give you my word that after Trinamool Congress forms the government, all the 10 pledges that we have committed and laid before everyone in the public domain and released in our manifesto, every pledges will be kept, and we will try to the best of our ability to implement all these 10 pledges within 3 months of forming the government. This is my word to you. Trinamool believes in communal harmony. We believe in we believe in the idea of unity in diversity. You see these 3 letters. It says T.M.C. What does T stands for? Like I said, the 3 petals stands for Khasi, Garo and Jaintia. In the same way, if you see TMC, here T stands for temple, M stands for mosque and C stands for church. Unity in diversity. No other political party will have this. And like TMC, there is another meaning. I mentioned it in my address yesterday. The TMC, T stands for trust. And what does M stands for? And what does C stands for? Can you see these 2 gentlemen? Can you see these 2 gentlemen? Can you see their pictures? One of them is sitting in the stage. You all can see. So if T stands for trust, M stands for Mukul and C stands for Charles. It's trust, Mukul and Charles. So if you have to defeat the BJP and you have to defeat the NPP, you have to trust TMC. And every vote to NPP, I tell you, is 1 vote to BJP. Every vote to the Congress is a vote wasted and a vote to the NPP. You have to keep this in mind. You have given them enough chances. You have given them 5 years. They made a fool of you. Now is the time you have to make a fool of them. When they go to you on the 27th and say, please vote for NPP, please vote for Congress, please vote for BJP, please assure them that you are going to vote for them. But when you go to the nearest polling booth with your head held high, you have to only cast your vote on Shijur ki Sinthiyu. On the twin flower symbol. This is the only way you can teach them a lesson which they will remember for the rest of their life. They made fool out of all of you. It is time for that revenge, and to show them that we can also make fool out of you. We know how to reply back in the language you understand. You will be paid back by your own coins and you will be made to taste your own medicine.